Quinoa doesn't have to taste bland. Watch this video and you will see how your girl cook this quinoa. You will lick your fingers. Hey guys, rice substitute, quinoa. If you don't like quinoa, here is a recipe that you can adjust, you can amend to make this a more tasty and even a more healthier form of meal. So I added some purple onions, coconut milk, all the works. You will see throughout the video. So I'll be using 1.5 cup quinoa, and I washed this like 3 times after soaking it in some water. Yes, I soaked it and then I washed it 3 times. But then when I started the video, I had already drained the water off. Soaking helps to like get the seeds or the little part that looks like rice maybe a little softer to like swell a little. So I soak mine, and this is my way. Washed it 3 times. Then I used a little hint of Himalayan salt. I used some vegan butter. For the 1.5 cup, I used 2 cups water, and I'll be adding in some frozen coconut milk in it to make this tasty and delicious. I added me some Maggi chicken bouillon, which was 1 tablespoon in this to help to enhance and add flavor to this. If you just cook this with regular salt, it is bland. But listen, this way it tastes really good. So I used purple onions, escallion or green onions, if you prefer to call them green onions. I used some pimento seeds because that's my business and I wanted to. Then I added me a little tablespoon of vegan butter. And you can see that my seeds are a little swollen. They're a little bigger. This takes roughly 15 to 20 minutes to cook. And then here I'm adding in my frozen coconut. Sit back and enjoy this video. Thank you for your support. Please remember to give your girl a like. I put my stove on medium heat and I added in my coconut. Once this starts boiling, then I'll add in my thyme. So your girl covered, and once it started to boil, then I added a sprig of thyme that I washed. Cover this on slow to medium heat. See, it's partially dried out. What you want to make sure is the liquid that you add in it cooks the quinoa. There you go. There is the finished quinoa. This looks a little bit more like Jamaican style bulgur, but listen, this is more a healthier way to eat instead of the white rice. And as I say, it is an acquired taste just like Jamaican style bulgur, but you have to know how to like keep this up a notch to give it a good flavor and taste. So I added coconut and all the works in it. You can pause the video to see what I use in this to enhance it and to give it some flavor and some taste. And listen, this was lit. Another lit video. Thank you for your support. Please remember to give the video a like. And on the side, I did some veggies. As always, don't forget your greens. It is important. And I did a little curried goat. That was what I had with this quinoa. You too can try this out, and it is cheap. You don't have to eat white rice every day. It has lots of calorie. This is like really good because it's light meat. Look at your girl dish. Please remember to give your girl a like. Thank you for your support, and don't forget to drop a comment if you're new so I can go back to your channel and follow you back. Thank you, and look at Sunday dinner. Yes, Sunday dinner, no rice and peas, a little quinoa. Thank you. See you soon in another video.